What if I told you the next 6 months of your life will look exactly like the last 6 unless you change one thing? Not your niche, not your product, not your ad budget, but your identity. I've spent over 2 years with 12 different tabs open, researching the perfect dropshipping niche, with every strategy documented and every success story watched twice. But still, my Shopify dashboard stayed at 0. That cost me over 2 years of my life and thousands of dollars I'll never get back. And I know that's exactly where a lot of you are right now. After 8 years in the industry, scaling Shopify stores to over 7 figures, I can tell you with confidence that the gap isn't more information. You already know enough to start. But the real gap is everything that happens before you open Shopify. Because I've seen what happens when you don't fix this. I've watched people waste their life, spending an entire year watching dropshipping videos, taking notes, saving products, and telling themselves, I'll start next month when I have more time. And the worst part is that it compounds. The longer you stay stuck in research mode, the more you convince yourself that you're not ready, and the harder it becomes to actually take that first step. The 180-day plan that I'm about to show you will force you out of that loop. Now, most people think change comes from forcing new habits, like waking up earlier, working harder, or grinding more. But that's just not how it works. You don't change your life by forcing habits. You change the identity behind them. And here's what I mean. Let's say that you want to become the type of person who builds a successful dropshipping store. Well, most people will try to force themselves to work 12 hours a day, test products nonstop, and create ads constantly. But they're still operating from the identity of someone who's trying to build a business, and trying is not an identity. You see, the shift happens when you decide, I am a store owner. Not somebody who wants to build a store, not someone who's going to build one someday, but I am a real store owner. And once that identity shifts, the habits follow naturally, because store owners don't hit snooze when you need to wake up, waste hours scrolling TikTok, and store owners definitely don't wait for motivation. They test products, they are constantly creating ads, and they focus on really building. Now, I'll be real though, here's the hard part. When you make the shift, you're going to lose friends. Not because you're doing anything wrong, but because you're now operating at a frequency that they just don't understand. This is what I call the 99% rule, where 99% of people will not understand your commitment to growth. And that is okay, because you're not building this business for them, you're building it for the highest version of yourself. So here's a daily standard that I want you to adopt for the next 30 days. Every single morning, before you do anything, ask yourself one question. What would the highest version of me do today? Would they snooze the alarm, or would they get up and test a product? Would they scroll on Instagram, or would they be creating ads nonstop? Would they talk about building a store, or would they actually launch one? And whatever that answer is, well, do that for 30 days straight. No excuses, no negotiations, because you're not trying to build a business anymore. You are a store owner and you need to act like it. Now, do you want to know what kills most people's potential after they commit to that identity shift? Their bedroom, their phone, their desk, the apps they have installed, the junk that is still piled up. You decide you're a store owner, but your environment is still screaming you're the same person you were yesterday, and your environment will win that fight every single time. So the next 30 days are about making sure that it doesn't, because here's the truth. Willpower is overrated. Success doesn't mean more discipline, but less friction to do the good stuff and more friction to do the bad. Let me go ahead and show you what I mean. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and test products every morning, you don't rely on willpower to open up Shopify and get started. Instead, the night before, you leave your laptop open on your desk with Shopify already loaded and a product that is ready to add. And then the next day when you wake up, the friction to start is 0. You just sit down and go. But if you want to stop scrolling TikTok for hours, well, then you have to increase the friction. Delete the app, log out every time you use it, and put your phone in another room while you work. That's how you make the bad habit harder to do and the good habit easier. Look at your room, look at your workspace, and look at your phone and ask yourself, what in your environment is making it easy to stay average? Is your room a mess? Clean it up. Is your phone full of apps that steal your attention? Delete them. Is your desk covered in junk that has nothing to do with building your store? Then clear it. You see, your environment is a reflection of your internal state. And if your environment is chaotic, your business will be too. But here's the deeper issue most people don't talk about. You're not scrolling on TikTok because you're bored. You're scrolling because you lack a deep sense of meaning. When your day has real purpose, real progress, real momentum, you don't need to escape into superficial pleasure. You're already living in the thing that really matters. So stop seeking pleasure and start building meaning, where the next 30 days are about making your environment a weapon that works for you and not against you. And you have to do the same thing with the tools that you're using to actually run your store. If you're building on Shopify, the biggest friction point, the thing that usually makes people quit and go back to scrolling TikTok, is the actual process of getting a product listed. It's slow, it's tedious, and honestly, it's just a pain. Think about how you usually do it. You take the photo, you move it to an editor, and then you're jumping over to a notes app to write a description, then manually uploading everything into Shopify. It's a lot of tab juggling and busy work that kills your momentum when you're trying to get things done. I've been using the Photo Room for Shopify app to skip almost all of that. Instead of constantly downloading and re-uploading files, you just click Shopify products in the left sidebar and then link your store. And now your whole catalog is just there inside the app, and you don't have to leave Photo Room to get a product live. Now, what really surprised me is how it handles the photos. If you've just got a basic shot of a product sitting on your desk, you can actually use a staging tool. You just tell it the vibe that you're looking for. Maybe it's a minimalist spa or a modern office, and then it builds a realistic room around that product, where it even fixes the lighting and adds the shadows for you, so it looks like it was shot in a studio, even if you're just working from your couch. But the real win for anyone with a big catalog is batch mode. If you've got 50 or even 100 products to list, you don't want to edit them one by one. You can just grab a whole folder of photos, and Photo Room applies your edits, backgrounds, and shadows to all of them at once. It literally turns a 3-hour job into about 30 seconds, so you can get back to actually growing your store instead of just managing files. Then once it looks right, you just go ahead and hit sync, where now the new photos, the copy, and all the SEO will go straight into your Shopify admin. And you just refresh your browser, and now you can see that the listing is live. And this is a massive shortcut that keeps you from getting bogged down into the small stuff. If you want to spend more time actually growing your business and less time bouncing between apps, go to photoroom.com. You can test out the staging tool for free just to see how it works. And if you want to use the Shopify sync to save yourself those hours every single week, use code ACPhotoRoom, and that will give you 10% off the max plan. I put the link right below this video, so go ahead and check it out. So let's say that you get this far. Your environment is clean, your identity is shifting, and you feel excited about the direction you're headed, which is great. But now you reach a point where the majority give up. Why? Well, because they realize they have no skills to back it up. Because skill is what separates the people who talk about dropshipping from the people who actually do it. So let me present to you the system that I call Devotional Practice, aka channeling all of your energy into mastering one base skill. And this means pick one skill, not 5, just one. So for dropshipping, it's either copywriting or video ads. That's basically it. If you can write product descriptions and ad scripts that make people want to buy, or if you can create scroll-stopping video ads that convert, you will make money, where everything else is secondary. And if you want to master it quickly, you need to approach it like a system that guarantees you're always learning the right stuff and discarding everything that doesn't work. And I like to call the system the learning loop. And here's quickly how it works, okay? So step 1, you have to study. Watch the best performing ads in your niche. Break them down. Ask yourself, what hook did they use? What pain point did they hit? What call to action closed the sale? Then step 2, create. From there, you will then make your own version. Don't just copy it, actually create. Write your own script, generate your own ad, and I'm gonna be real, it's going to suck at first. And that is completely normal. Everyone sucks at this type of stuff first. But that's also why the next step is so important, which is step 3, analyze. From here, you want to compare what you made to what is actually working in the market. Then asking yourself, okay, well, what did you miss? What can you improve? Then you try to gather as much data as you can and cut out what didn't work completely. Think of this like swapping out broken parts in a car. Every test that you run, you replace one bad part with a part that really works, where eventually the whole thing runs. And step 4, repeat. Now what you want to do is you want to do this every single day for the next 60 days. But I'm gonna be honest, for this to actually work, you need to stop being a consumer and start being a producer. So don't spend your entire day watching other people win while you could start winning yourself. Right now, you're probably spending most of your days scrolling on social media and just a fraction working. What I need you to do is I need you to flip that ratio. Spend 20% of your time consuming and spend 80% of your time producing. Create ads, write copy, test products, build your store, whatever it is that you need to do. Just stop watching and start doing. But here's what happens when you actually start producing instead of just consuming. You realize real quick that you're not very good yet. And that's when most people quit. They think passion comes first, and they think they need to find their passion before they can commit to building a skill. And that is completely backwards. You see, passion isn't found, it's created. and you get passionate about things that you're already good at. Now, right now, you probably suck at writing copy and probably suck at creating ads. That's why you don't feel passionate about it yet. But listen, if you commit to that devotional practice for 60 days, you will start getting better. And then when you get that momentum, you'll start feeling passionate, and that's how the process really works. And if I had to attribute my success to one thing, it would 100% be taking action without fully understanding what I'm doing. So stop waiting to feel inspired and start actually building a skill and the passion that will follow. But now we need to talk about something most dropshipping videos skip: your body. And I'm not talking about this from a health perspective. I'm talking about this from a business perspective. Because if you don't control your body, it will control you. If you can't get yourself to the gym 4 times a week, how are you going to get yourself to test products every day? You see, your body is the training ground for your discipline. And here's the exact blueprint to get this in check. Train 4 times a week, doesn't matter what you do. I don't care if you lift weights, run, do body weight exercises, just move your body with intention. Walk at least 5,000, ideally 10,000 steps a day. This is non-negotiable. Walking clears your mind, it builds endurance, and it gives you time to think without distractions. Literally, some of my best ideas came when I was walking without headphones on, and I can guarantee that you'll see the same effect once you commit to it. And with commitment, you need to do this for the entire 180 days. Not because you're trying to get shredded, but because you're building the discipline that bleeds into your business. Now, after doing this, here's what you can expect. You will start to earn inner pride. You have to realize that most people don't have self-esteem because they haven't done anything hard. They wake up, they scroll their phone, they eat junk food, they sit at a desk all day, and then they sit there and wonder why they feel like shit. Well, you earn self-esteem by doing things that are incredibly hard and pushing through them. So when you finish a brutal workout, you're already automatically gonna look at yourself differently. When you hit 10,000 steps every day for a month, you just automatically trust yourself more. And when you trust yourself, you believe that you can actually build a business. This is the foundation that you build your business on. Now, the final phase might be a hard pill to swallow, but it's perhaps the most important. And that's who you surround yourself with. Because you are the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. And if those 5 people are broke, unmotivated, and making excuses daily, you will become that too. No matter how strong your identity is, no matter how clean your environment is, your network will drag you back down. So here's exactly what you need to do to fix that. First off, find winners. Okay, you need to surround yourself with people who make leveling up just feel normal. Join communities where building a business isn't some crazy dream. It's just what people do. Find mentors who are 5 steps ahead of you and learn everything that you can from them. From there, you need to cut off the people who drain your energy, mock your ambition, or try to pull you back into just being average. These are the necessary steps you need to take to protect your future business. The world will tell you to find balance, to not work too hard, to make time for fun. But you really want to know what? The best in the world are not balanced. They are obsessed, they're unbalanced, and they're willing to sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term greatness. And if you want to build something real in the next 180 days, you need to be okay with that. You're not gonna have time to hang out with friends every weekend. You're not going to binge Netflix for hours. You're not gonna live a normal life, because normal people get normal results. And you're not trying to be normal, you're trying to be exceptional. Where every day that you choose to hit snooze instead of testing a product, you're choosing to be average. And you need to understand that average will compound just like excellence does, where the only difference is the direction. So right here, right now, you have 2 choices. And I wanna hear your choice in the comment section down below, so let me know. Choice A is you can close this video, go back to scrolling, and wake up 6 months from now exactly where you are today. Or choice B, where you can commit to the 180-day plan. And do you wanna know what really separates those people who follow through from people who just watch and forget? It's really public commitment. So the second you declare something out loud, it becomes real. So comment "I'm in" right now below to declare the start of your 180-day chapter. Not because I need to see it, but because you need to see it. This is the full 180-day plan to become unrecognizable, not just in your business, but your entire life. And look, I remember being at the point where I had all this information and I still couldn't make it work. I understood the concepts. I knew what I was supposed to do, but I had nobody in my corner telling me, hey, not yet, or that number doesn't work, fix this first, or that gap cost me thousands of dollars and months of spinning my wheels. So if you're at a point right now where you feel like you have the information, but you're still not sure if you're applying it right, that is not a you problem, but it's really a support problem. This is exactly why I built my personalized one-on-one mentorship, where you'll be getting multiple weekly personalized coaching calls with myself and my team, 7-day-a-week chat support for every question that comes up, access to my private community of successful students, and step-by-step implementation plans customized to your exact situation. So every day, I'm reviewing your ads, your store, your numbers, and telling you exactly what to fix before it costs you anything. So if you want that personal support, no matter your experience level, you can apply for one of the limited spots available with the link in the description, so we can go ahead and see if you're a good fit. And remember, if you're serious about committing to the things we talked about today, comment "I'm in" the comment section down below. That way I can hold you accountable, and everybody who's watching can hold you accountable for the next 180 days. And I have some homework for you as well, okay? What I need you to do is first fully commit to this plan like you already are doing. And then second, go to my beginner's guide where I break down step by step on exactly the right way to start dropshipping in 2026. Go to that video prepared with the mentality that we covered today and watch how your life can completely change in the next 180 days. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching and following along. I better see you in that next video. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.